Hey guys, IrwinTech here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a free VPN on your Chromebook. If you enjoy Chromebook hacks and tutorials just like this, make sure to like and subscribe with post notifications on to never miss when I upload a brand new video to my channel. If you also want to know why you want to be first to see my brand new videos, well, that's the whole point. You get to be the first person to see my brand new videos. And if you comment first, and you are indeed the first person to comment on my channel, I will give your comment a heart and pin your comment to the video. Before we start this video, make sure to check out my memberships linked in the description below as always, or you can hit that join button right next to the subscribe button. There's 3 levels. You can get gifts, emojis, perks, badges next to your name in the comments, a secret members only Discord server, and members only live streams that I do once a week. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not going to waste any more of your guys' time. Let's just go ahead and get right into it. Alrighty guys, so before we start this tutorial, your Chromebook will need to be compatible with the Google Play Store. If your Chromebook is not compatible with the Google Play Store, then this tutorial will not work for you. If you want to know if your Chromebook is compatible with the Google Play Store or not, hit the menu and then type settings in the search bar, click on the settings app, and then go ahead and go to the search bar and type in Google Play Store, and then it'll say Play Store right here. It'll be one of your apps on here, but if it's not on there, you can go to remove Google Play Store, because if you go to apps, you can remove it or install it just by going to your apps and going to Google Play Store. If it's not already on, then it will say turn on right here, but if it is, it will say remove. But if you have no option for the Google Play Store right here, that means this tutorial will not work for you, and if you want to keep watching, then you can. If not, that's fine. Well, to the people who are still here and do have the Google Play Store installed on their Chromebook, go ahead and close the settings, open up the Google Play Store, and head to the search bar. Then type Proton VPN, Proton, and then VPN. Hit enter. Then go to Proton VPN, free VPN, secure and unlimited. Click on it right here, and then hit install. Once it's done installing, go ahead and click open right here. It will say, welcome to Proton VPN, hit next, and then hit sign up if you don't already have an account. It will ask you to sign up. You want to select the $0 plan right here. Click get free. Then enter in your username of choice, your password of choice, and then your email address. Once you're done typing in your username and your email address and your password, hit create an account right here. And then you'll need a human verification just to make sure you're human, and then hit send, and it will send a verification code to your email. So go ahead and go to your email by hitting the plus right here in a new tab, then hitting on your Gmail. Go to your Gmail, find that email, which should be at the very top, enter in the code, and you're all good. Alright, so I got my Proton VPN code. I'm just going to hit verify right here. Alrighty guys, so it says account created. I'm just going to go ahead and click close to go back to the app.
A few moments later.
It will bring you back to the app, so just like I said right there, it'll put you on this page where you can connect to any VPN you want. Let's say I want to connect to Belgium, probably in Russia or something. Click on it, click on whatever server you want to connect to. I'm going to click on this one, then hit connect, then hit OK. And now it's going to connect to the VPN. Hit got it, and it'll say block malware only, and now your VPN is hidden and no one can see. Your IP will be right here. I'm going to blur that out just in case, but that is your cover-up IP, and if you try to boot me offline, it's not going to work because it's a fake IP address and it's from Russia. So this is how you get a VPN on your Chromebook for free. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications to never miss an upload. Also subscribe for a shout out. Comment down below you subscribe to get a shout out in my next video. Here are the shout outs for this video on the screen right now. Go subscribe to their channel, and yeah, if you subscribe to my channel, one of these shout outs could be you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video, and it's IrwinTech signing out.